Ever studied for 3 hours? Then opened the book the next morning and felt like you were seeing it for the first time? You're not alone. Most students sit at their desk, play one study with me video, open the book, read the same page again and again, highlight random lines, check their phone every 10 minutes, and call it studying. Then exam day comes and somehow nothing stays in the brain. If that sounds like you, this video might genuinely help. I looked into memory science, top student habits, and methods used in disciplined study systems, including techniques often linked to Japanese students. And I found something important. Students who remember more usually aren't smarter. They just study in a way that actually works. So here are the best methods and how you can start using them today. The first trick is spaced repetition. Most students study a chapter once and never look at it again until exams. That is exactly why they forget it. Instead, revise in small intervals. For example, if you studied photosynthesis today, spend just 5 minutes tonight reviewing it. Then look at it again tomorrow for 3 minutes, then again after 3 days. That tiny review schedule works better than reading it once for 1 hour. So after this video, pick one topic you studied recently and review it for 5 minutes. The second trick is active learning. Don't just stare at notes. Make your brain do work. For example, after reading one page, close the book and say out loud, "What were the 3 main points?" Or after finishing a chapter, take a blank page and write everything you remember without looking. Even simpler, make 3 questions from your notes and answer them yourself. If you can't answer, that's good. It shows what needs work. The third trick is mnemonic devices. This is just making boring facts easier to remember. For example, if you need to remember a list like Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, use "my very eager mother." Or if you need to remember steps in biology, chemistry, or accounting, create a funny sentence using the first letters. Your brain forgets boring lists. It remembers weird and funny things. So next time you see a list, turn it into a sentence. The fourth trick is chunking. Your brain struggles with random overload. For example, if someone says, "Remember this number, 638194725 hard," right? But if I say 638194725, much easier. Same with studying. If you have 20 vocabulary words, don't memorize all 20 randomly. Group them: 5 food words, 5 emotion words, 5 travel words, 5 business words. If you have history dates, group them by century or ruler. When information is organized, memory improves fast. The fifth trick is visualization. Turn words into pictures. If you're learning that mitochondria gives energy, imagine a battery inside a cell. If you're learning the water cycle, imagine rain falling, rivers moving, steam rising. If you're learning a speech, imagine each paragraph happening in a different room of your house. The brain remembers images more easily than plain text, so if a topic feels hard, draw it badly on paper. Doesn't matter if you can't draw. The sixth trick is focused study sessions. Right now, many students study like this. Read 2 lines, check phone, reply to message, drink water, open Instagram, look at clock, repeat. That is not studying. Try this instead. Put your phone far away. Set a timer for 25 minutes. One topic only. No switching. Just 25 minutes of real focus. Do that twice today and you'll already outperform most students. The seventh trick is sleep. Students often brag about sleeping at 2 a.m. before exams, but memory gets stored properly during sleep. So if you studied something important tonight, sleeping on time may help more than staying awake rereading it badly. Even getting 30 to 60 minutes more sleep consistently can improve focus. And now the final trick, the most underrated one of all, teach to learn. This is what often turns average students into toppers. After studying a topic, explain it like you're teaching your younger sibling. For example, if you studied gravity, explain, "Gravity is the force pulling objects toward Earth." If you studied algebra, teach how to solve one equation step by step. If you get stuck while explaining, that means you don't fully understand it yet. That is powerful feedback. Teaching exposes weakness faster than rereading ever will. So here's your challenge. Today, don't try all methods. Pick just one. Review one topic with spaced repetition. Teach one concept out loud. Study one 25-minute focus session. Make one mnemonic. Draw one diagram. Small actions beat big plans. Try these methods one by one and comment which one feels most effective for you. But remember, 99% of students will watch this video and do nothing. Only 1% will start today. Become one of them.